going to share with you how you're going to enroll a new distributor in your network. So the first thing that we're going to do is log in into our back office, right? Once that you are into your back office and you go to your dashboard, remember that on the left side of this screen, you're going to find a menu. Let's scroll down until we find enroll. Once that you click on enroll, you're going to find this little screen that is going to show you the countries where we are active and where Sanki is a territory. So let's select the country where your new enrollee, your new distributor lives on. So in this case, I'm going to select USA and I'm going to leave selected English. But remember, if you have someone that speaks Spanish, you can as well select the Spanish language, and that is the language that your new enrollee is going to receive all the information. Then we're going to click next, and it's going to take us to this screen where we're going to follow 6 steps in order that we can have a new distributor enroll in our network. So the membership, the Sanki membership, is going to be all the time added because that's the requisite to your new distributor to be part of your network as a distributor. So the next step on this screen is that you have to select subscription type. What does it mean? It means that you can select suggested registration. That means that the system is going to place this person where the system believes that is going to be the most convenient for you. And then you have the registration holding tank. That means that you have this option to place this person and wait until you're ready to place that new distributor on your network. Remember that if you select this option, you have until the next Monday from the day that you did it in order that you can place it on your network. And the last one, which is going to be placed on the net, is because you know already who's going to be the sponsor of this new person and who's going to be the upline. I'm going to select, in this case, registration holding tank, and then I'm going to click on next. Once that I click on next, I have already the packs, guys, our amazing enrollment packs that are going to help your distributor to be on the network and receive the special prices of these combos or these packs, right? As you can see here on your card, you have already the membership added because that's a requisite to be a distributor. So we have 4 packs here, and I'm going to select the Pro pack, which is the option that is below. I'm going to go back and check that my Pro pack has been added with my membership, and then I'm going to click here on next. And once that I click on next, I'm going to go to the third step, which is the registration of this new distributor. What is this going to ask me? The system is going to ask me to select the country or the island where this person lives. Remember that from the United States, we have other options and other islands that they can enjoy our products and do the business as well. In my case, I'm going to select United States, and we're going to place the name of our new distributor. I'm going to place just information that is for testing purposes, but you have to place here the information of your new distributor. Who is that person with, of course, the first and last name, and then we're going to go to an email. It's going to be really important that you place all this information correctly and properly, because remember, guys, we're sending information every time that we have promotions, that we have news, that the invoices as well are going to arrive by email. So it's really important that our new distributor has received all this information. Then we're going to add a phone number and another phone number if this is optional if you have it or not. In this case, when you arrive to the social security number, EIN or IT number, this is going to be optional for some places. However, in the United States, it will be important that you can have this information in order that your new distributor can receive their commissions. Anyways, if you don't have it, you can just leave it like that. That's what I'm going to do to show you that it's going to work anyways. Click on next, and then we go to the billing information. This is the address. Billing information is the address where all the bank account statements for your new distributor are going to arrive. This is as well for billing purposes, because when we're going to use her credit or debit card, we need to have the information that is registered on that card on the bank. If this address is not correct, guys, I don't want to disappoint you after, but your distributor is not going to be enrolled because the the order won't be invoiced until we have this information properly and set it up correctly. So it's really important that if you are doing this enrollment, you request to your new distributor the information that it's going to be totally correct as the way that they have it registered on their bank or wherever the information is. Then if I'm going to use the same address, or this distributor has the same address from billing and shipping, you just have to click on this check. But if you're going to use another one, you are going to uncheck that square, and you have to place here the shipping information, where this pack is going to arrive. All right, so it's really important, as I said, that you put all the information correctly in order that that person can receive their products totally on time, from 5 to 7 business days. In my case, I'm gonna leave this square check now, and I'm gonna click on next. The next step now is going to be the summary. I have here my membership, I have my pack, and of course I have already the taxes, and I have already the points that I received because of this transaction, and I have as well the shipping that this person is gonna pay, or that the new distributor is going to pay, right? As you can see, the product is going to arrive from 5 to 7 business days. The holidays are not included on these 5 to 7 business days, my dear family. So let's check that everything is set up, that everything is correct, and then I'm gonna click on next. And the next step, of course, is gonna be the payment method. We need to add the credit card information when this new distributor is gonna be charged for the pack and the membership that they chose. I have to check the message that says I have read the terms and conditions and the image consent release. Once that you have all these boxes checked, you need to choose just pay, and voila, you have a new distributor enrolled in your network and in your holding tank, as we did in this example. So let's see until our system is gonna tell you the message. So I hope that this tutorial helps you a lot, guys, and this is the easiest way that you can enroll new members on your back office. See you soon.